it's Faye. Yes, I have 2 balls on my head. That is not the first time I've heard that. What? That came off completely wrong. I don't know. It has been months since I've done anything to my pores, my blackheads, my whiteheads, the demons on my nose. So I decided it's been a long day. We're gonna use NEOGEN's Pore Mousse, Peeling Mousse, Pore Type Peeling Mousse. Apparently, a while ago, this went viral on TikTok. So I decided I wanted to try it. I am a sinker today. You guys remember Almaldo? He's back. He's back from vacation. Just a disclaimer warning, do not be shocked for what you're gonna see because it has been a long time since I've exfoliated. Not like me at all. But I have this disorder called lazy. It has been harder than normal. So please excuse me, Linda. Anyway. Oh my god. Holy moly. Okay, you're okay. It's pretty decent. Oh my god. Oh my god. Remember those coolers that built? Oh baby, then got tumbling down. Guess we gotta put up a fight. My pimples popping now and now. Girl, let me tell you about this pimple real fast. I have been haunted over and over again. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I left this pimple. I didn't pop it because I thought it would be fun to see if this mousse will do anything to it. So now that we've seen everything close and personal, I like that. Listen, Linda. So I read some reviews on Amazon and a lot of people seem to be very displeased by this product and left 1 star only because they expected a lot of dirt to be coming out of their pores itself. But I am taking on this journey knowing that a lot of the debris that you're gonna see, debris, is actually the product itself mixed with everything else on your face apparently. You're supposed to shake this too. Got a kink in my shoulder. Also, the brand is NEOGEN. Did I mention that? That is a South Korean brand. We love your sunscreens, NEOGEN. So on the box, it says that it has alginic acid along with oil go gelling, ingredients found in deep sea marine plants like brown algae that captures impurities and blackheads, makeup residue, and dead skin cells. The point is to cleanse and purify your skin. It is a peeling mousse meant to lift dead skin cells and just the shit sitting in your pores. Very attractive. It also has tightening benefits to sagging skin, but isn't skin always sagging? Just shake it, you squirt it. It looks like whipped cream. Yep, exactly like whipped cream, guys. I'm just gonna, ooh, the texture feels so nice. Okay. You just want to rub it in until it goes clear on your skin apparently. Oh wow. You just want to keep rubbing this in. It feels like a lot of dirt is peeling off your face, but really it's just the debris of the product, so don't get too confused. This reminds me a lot of like the lemon sparkling peel. If you tried a peeling product before, it's literally so similar to it. Okay, it's completely depleted off of my face, the mousse, and I'm left with all this debris from the product and hopefully from my skin as well. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go one more time. One more time. Before my lip. Don't eat it. I'm really gonna focus on top of my pimple to see what happens. I'm also gonna go around this pimple because there was so much dead skin right there and really work it into my pores. Wishy washy hooshy. My forehead, why? Because it's saggy, and remember this targets saggy skin as well. Okay, don't be rough, Peter. Don't. Ooh, okay, so I'm eating something. Kind of like this idea of just dissolving mousse on your face with peeling debris. Look at my hands, look at my face. I'm hoping all of this was able to grasp onto all the things we saw in the microscope. Okay, I'm gonna use a microscope to just show you guys how the debris looks like. Just like that. Ooh, still foamy. It looks very foamy, but it rubs off as if it's dead skin. And my hands are fucking sticky. Come in peace. Ooh, it's right on the pore. Can you do something, sis? They look like little tadpoles on my face. Look at this one. Okay, now that everything is completely sticky and kind of done on my face, I hope, I don't know, I'm gonna go rinse and basically shower in the sink and I'll be right back. I'm back. I told you I took a shower. Pop. Okay. Okay. You guys can tell that my pimple is literally still there, budding with a whitehead. Even though I exfoliated the area with the foam or the mousse, it doesn't pop the pimple. Duh, it makes sense. So I'm not sure why I was hoping that it was gonna extract my pimple. Just wanted to test, just wanted to see. Now it's time to see what our face looks like using Amaldo again. I mean, I don't know. Okay, the side of my nose looks good. Fax, no copy. Printer, no ink. My chin looks clear for the most part. Let's look at the pimple. Did it pop? My pimple's crying, so not sure if it popped or not. But I will say the skin around my pimple looks very good. Like, you look presentable. Let's look at the pimple that has been giving me a hard time. There's still dead skin poking around the pimp, but overall it doesn't look nasty. I mean, it still looks nasty, but not too disgusting. My cheek and my cheek pores look kind of similar. I mean, there's not a huge dramatic difference that I'm seeing. It almost just looks like my skin was freshly washed, which it was freshly washed. Nose tip. Oh, was that a blackhead? Oh. Hi, excuse me? Oh, this makes me want to extract my pores right now. Ooh. What the frick? There is still debris on my face. I'm sure they're debris. Are you? I just didn't shower well enough in the sink. I'm sorry. Okay, overall thoughts on this product. If you've tried peeling gels and face washes, you know that it's common to have the product debris peel off and make it look like your own skin is peeling off. So to me, it's not like a shock or like a 1-star review where I'm like, oh my god, I've been lied to. Only because I'm really familiar with these K-beauty products. I'd give this a 3.5. I like that it's gentle and your face does feel very smooth and soft afterwards. It is a little bit drying. Pretty obvious to use a moisturizer and follow up with your skincare. I'm not sure if it's a tight feeling I'm feeling or my skin's dry and cracking. I feel like this product is really good to use on a hot summer day where you're just feeling oily and greasy. You are compacted in a pool of sebum and your nose pores are tumbling down. It's not horrible. I will say the scent is really strong. It has a perfume smell to it. Even a hair mousse smell to it, like Tresemme. Overall, I feel like you shouldn't waste your coin on this. You might as well just buy an exfoliating product that is still gentle on your skin and probably do better at removing deep-seated pore debris. I guess that's it for this video, but comment down below what blackhead extraction tools or products you want me to try, especially new blackhead strips. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye!